Well, and I'm so happy because Priscilla, Vodafone Anaman, Anna Charles Ousu, and Omudi Omawoda, so happy. Anaman, happy birthday. We celebrate you for who you are, a unique person. Anna Charles Ousu, change is here. Change is here. Charles Ousu, so happy birthday. Onyamia Domokwa Dwaku Pia prison for no, and then we be doing Nkommo Charles because we also need to know and understand. Through the course of a prison out during the these are two very important personalities and Omudi Omawoda, Priscilla, Vodafone Anaman, Charles Ousu, happy birthday and Nkommo. Yeah, there no guru there. Ghana and Nkommo na me bro, me catch your bribia that say achia nanso emu nyamia se we Ghana ni e breti say emu ni bribia mu continue to be proud. There toss be me gidi say nyina no ye tete ye high nyamia ni nukrene you cannot run away from the fact to say times are tough. Very tough. You cannot run away from that fact. Say, every woman party, nyamienim ni kreni, emo denye. And enye peculiar to my Ghana, if you are suffering na. Adope mi jina nyoma menusu, na minu we din komo. Die di kan ye petrol komo minu bedi. Utie se die cost utie se ntini se ye dollar na ho de no ba na eba from. But there then said nanoda transport minister and GRTTC for the GPRT focus share you know. One day a year in Shishefu from a chair mechanism for me to Aquema. Send to Mooney bar this time a chibi and ho the Shibi Aquema on the go. The assignment then say a driver for Nankasati says she way in a dear go. This is a court above this percentage, a casse and a sikase and a better. In the midst of all your challenges in an adeba can be saying this very more dennis ye di mrasu ye di share so ye di GDA my hu especially when there's an arrangement between GRTCC, the transport ministry and then GPRTU in relation to say into muba or fanguma they say come for some share. When we go by data it's simple. Let trust work. Yen person ebe do na for aban be no skills be na GRTTC funds be you almost fact that except factor at this moment so mo ka some person to mbo ma ezeba except factor se won ka se won be to mbo ma pe won won hihia omwo no ene yes say omo hwe no mundi san wan ka so abrabo you need to start adjusting it. They are not pass searching we are searching you searching you have to adjust it. O mine so enioma bebre wo ho aye ya woni tua mesmani tua a ehie sika gukwa amfa so de ani ni ho saa o mine so wona e de o matoto ano nhia ase anwini se nyame anim ni kure ni if you are not in normal times they should also reflect that time that say we are not in normal times. It's very important. Apart from say o mine so say ehia say etwitwa ne ma bebre so Nyoma bebre ese o man twa so na esika sem no so ho asem etimi gina yi nya sa de a se yemfie obia na wo kan kwa me ye ne mo na mo de baba de a emwa ema o man ni mu asetena no enema ntimi nko jojo. It's very important. We nyina mu no yenuanom disable for a mom yen kai omo it's very ye kai no won ntimi nya adwuma sabi won ne efra sabi omo sabi enu na na me ni wo sabi omo ntimi nkwa omo e kire doso okwa sonko so. We don't abuse and we don't take advantage in times like this. Yenua man ye ma menem ye ofa no ma mudi dwasa abrewe ebinim bu omo di tetu omo nyoma so no omo di akoshe dollar any times that we are in into kwa anwa yellow gallon last 2 weeks 175 now jump boom 375. We say now person you know 175 to 375 you know magic be no then no echo nobody says anything about it. Timesre they hear question say when we know the times and I believe we know the times that we are in government unnecessary wastage kwa ehunhia sika ne ko ba bia ehunhia aban hwe ho yi wo ankran no so kra no se na ka ne usi ye onioma bebe no onso hwe ho yi nya sa de a every blessed day you come with life giving. There are still people who are living nicely moderately cool everything is cool nya magic onko wi asika no onko ye hwe. If you know the times that you find yourselves in the sons of Issachar uni mra wo ma uhun tutu yi into your mind and kran be say mo ye careful mi wie no Ya kwanso nsem still a driver for driver indiscipline is too much on our roads. E shutu kosrosa driver for omo ye niam ho omo ni nsu ade omo fa akwanso nsem ni enye de sese omo de ahyenso de omo fa ho car sisi omo fa ho e fa dodo anso car owners kan ma ka ona bo se car na ntia na account besrew ya kwanso nkomo no ehia obibia ya kwanso nkomo ehia obibia apart from say national security issue no ehia wo ehia me ne ntia se Ghana achia but and that's what they say emuye. That's it. I'm happy because two great personalities almost celebrate on birthday. Priscilla, Vodafone, Anaman, and I think Charles. Bye bye.